Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today fam we are going to talk about guys how can we connect a headphone with our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to connect guys headphone with your phone, so fam, how can you connect? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video fam, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So fam, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys this more connection setting guys, tap here and friends now turn on your guys your first of all headphones. So we will on guys our phone headphones. So guys, after on headphone guys, click on guys your phone bluetooth setting guys, and friends now turn on your bluetooth. So we will wait here and we will refresh it after on it. So friends, you can see guys your headphone name. So I have this building company guys. I will tap here to connect. Friends, you can see notification right side, tap here to connect. When headphone has connected guys, now we can use guys while operating any app, listening song guys, we can use it this headphone with our Infinix phone device. So I hope friends you've understood how to connect headphone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching.